the fear of books called as, or phobia of books called as? It is something very interesting. Bibliophobia. Bibliophobia is fear of books, right? APD Candolle was the person who gave the entire branch of biology, that is identification, nomenclature, classification. Linnaeus was the person who is considered as father of taxonomy. Now the concept is, what does this taxonomy deal with? This taxonomy deals with hierarchical series. Sir, which hierarchical series it deals with? It deals with keep, pot, clean, or family gets sick. I repeat, keep, pot, clean, or family gets sick. Please see the first alphabet of all. Please see the first alphabet of all. Keep, pot, clean, or family gets sick. Now the concept is, K is kingdom, P is phylum, C is class, O is order, F is family, G is genus, and S is species. When I say kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, remember this sentence is easy. Now a new concept has been introduced, and that concept has been introduced is very interesting, that is tribe. So the entire acronym changes. Keep, pot, clean, or family terribly get sick. Swachh Bharat, please try to understand. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, tribe, genus, and species. When I am telling this kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species, there are certain things which are beyond species. Sir, what are the things that are beyond species? That is race, subspecies, breed, and variety. When I say race, it is nothing to do with your race 1, race 2, race 3, do remember, but you have to race. Race is for us, human beings, Caucasoid, Mongoloid, Negroid, Dravidians. Subspecies is for wild animals. When we say subspecies, we say subspecies of lion, subspecies of tiger. When I say breed, breed is for all the animals which are domesticated. Dog, sheep, cattle, goat, horse, all those components are called as breed. Breed of dog, breed of camel, all that. Variety is, now by now you might have understood, it is for the plants. Which variety it is? Basela, which variety it is? Palak, which variety it is? When you say this, race, subspecies, breed, variety, they are the things which go beyond species, and species is the lowest hierarchy.